leading one to the copper belt in the north. Scotland's been suffering its worst blizzard for 10 years. So heavy was the snowfall that 4 trains were held up. Here's one on the Perth-Aberdeen line being dug out when we flew over. Over 30 main roads have been blocked and traffic, of course, very seriously disrupted. Impossible in many places to get supplies through to isolated farms and villages. 6 deaths due to the blizzard are reported. Where roads are not snowbound, icy surfaces have made driving an absolute menace. As well as Scotland, large areas of the north of England were also badly affected. And here's you-know-who doing you-know-what.